What's the meaning of cognac? Cognac. Cognac.
Cognac. Cognac. Cognac is a type of brandy that is produced in the Cognac region of France. It is made from specific types of grapes and follows strict production methods. The grapes are pressed and then fermented into wine, which is then distilled twice to create a clear eau de vie. This spirit is then aged in oak barrels for at least 2 years, during which time it develops its characteristic flavor and aroma. Cognac is a popular after-dinner drink and is often served neat or with a splash of water to bring out its complex flavors.